Robert Baesel with AN Transport out of Hopstock, Indiana. Man, I've been trucking for, well, it's been 43 years. I'm 62, I've been 43 years. Been a hell of a life. I started out at an early age in Louisiana and hauled sugar cane out of the fields, and that's how I come to drive. I pull anything from robots, computers, steel coils, lumber, whatever. I pull a Conestoga, curtain side. This is a 2024 Peterbilt 389 CX15 with 18 speed. It's brand new. It ain't even broken yet. Hopefully I'll be out there on that racetrack today, maybe. The legendary red. It's a beautiful color, beautiful paint scheme. So she strolls, she looks good going down the road. It's just an awesome truck. It's an awesome truck to drive. I'm honored and privileged to drive it. So they bought the truck for me. I had a lot of say-so in the truck. I wanted an old school look with a new school attitude. So it's called the Hen House. So I guess it's ironic because I go by Rooster. Pinstriping was done by a gentleman, Dave, out of Kentucky. That's what he does. He's an older gentleman, an old hot rodder. He has trucks himself, he has hot rods, and he's the one that free-handed every pinstriping on this truck. Amazing job. The paint was still wet when we hit Louisville, Kentucky this year for the show. But we gave him free reins on the truck. We said, this is what we want, old school look, and this is what I got. Amazing job. We painted the breathers, the old school breathers. We painted the fuel tanks, the depth tank. We painted the fenders. And I was presented with a trophy this year from Peterbilt. And they said my truck, the paint was immaculate. So, and I was very honored. I was very privileged to do that. It's amazing hardware, man. It's a beautiful truck. It's great to drive. And I couldn't be happier. I couldn't be more privileged. The good Lord bless me.